Previously on Decisive, we cruised to Honolulu Bay on Kauai, where we anchored, hung out, and had fun.
We endorsed Cairo.
We watched whales and dolphins, then headed home. A 40-foot boat, a crew of teenagers,
some adults,
and a cat or two,
exploring Hawaii,
and learning along the way.
This is Cruising with Decisive. When we got home from Honolulu Bay, we were very excited to learn we'd been invited to be guests on the Sea Scout National Podcast. Our hosts were Harvey, the National Yeoman from Florida, and Cassidy, the National Bosun from Colorado.
Hey Decisive, here is snowy Colorado. You can be a Sea Scout anywhere.
So we each logged on, and it was showtime.
Hi everyone, I'm Cassidy.
And I'm Harvey.
Welcome to the Lookouts Podcast, Reef Point's track.
Hi, I'm Micaiah, and I'm the bosun on the SSS Decisive.
I love how passionate you guys are about boating and being on the water.
It was fun being on the podcast.
And we're going around the island, so we just
We love
decided,
being
why
able to
don't we
share our
take
adventures
all
on
of these
Decisive.
places and show people what we do.
And it was a real honor to meet Harvey and Cassidy.
Have you done any digital media or editing prior?
Maybe they'll even come on a cruise with us someday. Hint, hint.
Nothing more than Instagram.
But your guys' videos are awesome.
You can find the Lookout Podcast and lots more information on the Sea Scouts website at seascout.org. And there's a link in the description. For our spring break from school,
We planned to cruise to Oahu for haulout.
but heavy storms brought flooding and even landslides to Kauai.
It wasn't safe for boating, so we came up with a plan B.
Dockside maintenance.
The crew started by sanding our teak handrails.
Skipper and I did some engine maintenance.
Yeah, but it's all old oil. Okay, and now
Pumping the oil out.
We changed the oil and filter.
The work on the deck continued. It was hard work, but everyone pitched in and got a lot done.
Nice, brand new air filters, and we're replacing the old ones with the new ones.
We replaced our engine air filters.
I don't know how this goes.
I think just like that.
We just replaced the air filters, and now we're going to replace the fuel filters. Keegan, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Keegan. There were several projects happening all at once. It was controlled chaos.
Hello, what you guys doing?
We're fixing up the doors and putting new wheels on them so that they slide instead of just having to drag them.
I am sanding down the doorway
Nice.
so that we can have a nice crisp boat.
Nice. We just replaced the secondary fuel filter.
We changed our fuel filters
There's a cool white thingy over here.
We
just cleaned our sea strainer and now we're gonna run fresh water through the engine.
Then we flushed the engine with fresh water.
Our program is all about teaching and empowering teenagers. And we take care of Decisive.
Because Decisive takes care of us.
Okay, we're off to go get pizza for the rest of the crew, and we have a little surprise to get for one of our crew members who will be sadly leaving us soon. And so we're gonna get her a little cake and a card. So we just came out of Walmart and we got MJ a card right here. We also got some whiteboards. Oh yeah, to redo the bosun's board and the station billboard. That's right. Okay, on to the next store.
So we just left Costco after the long freaking lines. We got this delicious mango cheesecake, sorry, my bad. And then we got some nice hot pizzas for the rest of the crew, so they're nice and fed, and so they can go back to work. And then here's hi.
Got back from provisioning. Kay's got some pizza. I have whiteboards for the new bosun's board and station bill.
When we got back to the boat, the crew was busy varnishing the teeth.
Dang!
It looked great.
But all this work made everyone hungry.
So we took a break for lunch.
Then had a going away party for Mary Jane.
I'm doing good.
Okay.
Mary Jane joined our crew at the end of last summer. Her first cruise was to Wahiawa Bay on Labor Day. She cruised with us to Polihali and many other amazing places. We had lots of fun adventures together. And Mary Jane was a very helpful crew member. She always did her share of the work and she was always positive. She had to leave our crew because she was moving to the mainland. Hopefully she can come back and visit soon. We're gonna miss her.
Aloha, MJ.
Aloha, MJ. Aloha, MJ. We'll miss you.
We love you, MJ.
We're gonna miss you.
We'll miss you.
Join us next time on
Cruising with Decisive.